Another video. So I'm just gonna show some things what I've got. My Legos. Well, yeah. So basically, they're really delicate, and it's gonna be hard to take them out. Eeks. I'm making a Lego one for an RNLI for a lifeboat station. Well, I was about to say that. Yeah, I'll link them in the comments because I said that. Oh god. This is not meant to be in there. Basically, it's from Minecraft. This random person's in here I never invited. Look at him. Walks across into lava. Eeks. Burns his foot. Right, so this is lovely. Got the portal here. I don't know where the minecart's gone, otherwise I would have been playing with it. It would have gone through there. Still need to get the rest of the collection. I have tons of them, but I'm not going to show that. I need to show that later. I'll show that in like another video. Show all my Minecraft set. And then the minecart would have been straight through there. I've had one missing set, but it's only about that big. So yeah. Can I get out without it breaking? That, but it's already broken. I'm not going to risk that. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. Oh shoot. Oh. Oh god. Okay. This thing. Right, I'm putting that back. There's no way that I'm lifting that. It's quite heavy. Probably getting a Lego all over my floor. Put that back. I don't have to be so delicate with this one. But at the same time, when I'm trying to put it back into my Minecraft set, kind of breaks. Oh god, this is where I smashed my wall. I've just remembered that. Oh my god. I've been trying to... I don't know why I'm going through my drawers. What's this? Oh yeah, I got this in a McDonald's. Yeah, I'm gonna make jokes soon. Shiver me timbers. Arr. Clothes. Or clothes. Ooh. Jet ski with no thing. Oh god. Why don't I pulling that out? Music codes. Ooh. That sounded loud. No way. Now, this video is now going to be about me trying to fix this. Batteries. God damn it. Oh, it still works. Right. I'm going to have to put something on that. I'll do that later, I will. Beautiful. I'm like, this might be my play desk. Right, let me take this shark blanket off. Perfect. Boom. Do you need a high perspective? if that will work. Ow. He's got bloody Peppa Pig on the back. What should I put this way? No. Over here. That work? Not really. Kind of risky. That better? Boom, perfect. Right, I'm back. Sorry about that. Right, so basically here we've got the LFB fire truck. Yeah, so it's LFB. It's not the new ladder truck. I like the new ladder truck. I've not really looked at many pictures for. Sorry about that again. So I've got this LFB fire truck. I'm gonna tell you what, we're gonna put this to the side. We're making the LFB place. 5-pole. I don't know what that is. Part of the set. I don't know what I'm doing on this, but okay. Wow. Wow. Wait, this is the most of the things what I need. Wait, I never noticed how. That's Ghostbusters. No. Ghostbusters. More still. Yeah. Ooh. Look what I found. Ooh. That's gonna go on there. Let me put a light on because it's kind of dark. It's hard to find. Hopefully this isn't loud. Oh, tons of things in here. I didn't even know I had. That's the fire alarm. That's pretty much what I can find. I'll move that. I need as much room as I have. Boom. Just put. Right. We've got the fire alarm. Right, I'm going to get back to building this because I just heard my phone ring when it's meant to be cracked. Right. I'm going to start off with that. Which way does it go? That way. Right. I'm thinking that. Go there. And that. That. Go here. Would it? Me not even knowing how to build a bloody Playmobil set. Ow. How funny is this? Seeing Curtis suffer in pain. How? I am confusion. Maybe because I don't have the whole set. Poor me. My best friend's probably gonna comment on this video saying poor me. Arg. Oh. No. Oh. Oh. I got it. Oh. It's not working. Yes. Perfect. Now, oh God. Where does this thing go? Why do I feel like it goes in between? Perfect. Just do this. I did it. I did it. Just gonna spray your face off. Right, I'm just gonna say, put in the comments, would you rather have 100,000 loyal subscribers or 1,000,000 subscribers who aren't loyal? Personally, I would have 100,000 subscribers who are loyal. By the way, that's from our friend, Macy. She has a YouTube channel. I'll link her in the description. Please subscribe to her. She's lost a lot of subscribers since this lockdown. So, yeah, it would be a really nice thing to subscribe to her. Why am I just standing here? Right, let's put this LFB clip down. That. I'm stupid as hell. Maybe if I kept all my toys safe, I couldn't do this. I don't think this would intentionally work. Maybe we'll just do that. I'm gonna try to get this. Oh wait, I have this thing. There's one. Got that off by here. Right, let's get the other plier. Got the other plier. I'm thinking I'm just gonna, yeah, put it over here, or this, it's hard. I don't think this really looks like it's the right way, but boom, no time. Jesus. Okay, let's grab these pliers again. They working? Oh, yeah, they are. Gotta get out. I just hit my head. Got it. Okay. Put that thing there. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Oop. Now what? This is from the Ghostbusters set. Wow. Oh, let's just say, even though it's not done, but I tried my best. I've been creative. That's all that matters. Hammer time. Dun. Well, that's pretty obvious. Gonna fit. No, wait, that's not in line. I may as well just move it. Bye, guys, and hope you have a good day.